This is the Aurora Ipsilon Quadra Cento Italia fountain pen. It comes in a red cardboard sleeve, the Aurora logo, the Cento, which is the 100-year anniversary of Aurora. This cardboard sleeve will slide off, and inside is a black cardboard box with the Aurora logo. The box lid lifts off, and inside the cardboard box is a black leather box with the Aurora logo embossed on the front of the lid. The box has a hinge-style lid which lifts open with a black leather interior as well. The Aurora logo on the underside of the box lid. There was a pamphlet included with the pen that's information about the pen and warranty instructions, all of that. And of course we have the Aurora Ipsilon Quadra Cento Italia fountain pen. It has a black cap and barrel with these etched checkered design on both the cap and barrel of the pen. On both ends of the pen it is resin, so at the top of the cap is a black resin with 100 in red printed or engraved around the top of the cap. The bottom of the barrel is just a red resin, plain. And it is a metal cap and barrel for the pen with a matching color on the trim as well. There's a ring at the bottom of the cap that is engraved with Aurora, made in Italy, and on the back the number of the pen. There's only 100 of these made, and celebrating the 100-year anniversary of Aurora. The cap on the pen is compression fit and snaps off, and you can post that on the end of the barrel of the pen. If you push it, it will snap on. You can hear that click. It has a black glossy resin section and a black nib to match the rest of the pen. It is an 18-karat gold nib, but is made in a black color to match the body of the trim of the pen. Black feed on the pen, and it is a cartridge converter style pen, so the section unscrews, and included with the pen is an ink converter. Also underneath the false bottom of the box there is an ink cartridge for the pen as well. Great design. It's a great looking pen. If you like a black trim and a black nib, get your Aurora Ipsilon Quadra Cento Italia fountain pen at penchalet.com.